Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with another quick video. And today we're going to be talking about a fast and easy way to make money online. Not only that, we're going to be showing you different methods that you can use to do that. And they're all free, so you don't need to worry about spending any money to get started. This is actually perfect for beginners. Also, it's going to be extremely easy and simple to do. There's no experience or skills required. All you're going to need to get started is a computer and an internet connection, and you'll be ready to go. So what we're going to do is go over 5 easy ways that you can make money online, and we're going to talk about the different websites that's affiliated with these different ways that you can start earning. And some of them are going to be for inside of the US and some of them are going to be for outside of the US. So you're going to want to stick around to the end of the video just in case you're in one location. You'll be able to get all of the information and directions that you need in order to get started. So the first website that we're going to discuss today is called Prolific, and they are based in the UK, so you're going to be getting paid in British pounds. Okay, in the UK, 1.3 is about the equivalent of 1 USD, right? So what you're going to be doing if you decide to join this company is basically go over surveys for this company, and this is ran by university researchers. So I know that surveys are not really the most exciting thing to do, but with this company, it's fairly compensated for completing the surveys. And the surveys that you're going to be actually doing are going to range from market users all the way to behavioral research. Okay. Not only that, during the summer vacations, you might not see many surveys compared to during the school time. But what we're going to do is also talk about some other companies that you can be actually focusing on in between time. After you sign up to the website, you will be giving a qualification survey that you can complete. It's going to take you approximately 15 to 20 minutes. This means that once you complete the survey, every other survey that you will get automatically qualify you for once you complete that initial survey. Once you've completed the qualification survey, you are now ready to start other surveys. When a survey pops up on your browser, you can go ahead and answer it. Before you get notified automatically about new surveys, simply download the Prolific browser extension. They also have a notification app, and Prolific recommends that their researchers pay their participants £750, which is equivalent to $960. However, this is actually one of the lowest paying ones, so make sure to stick around, and we're going to go over some other companies that will actually pay you more money. The second website that we want to talk about is called respondentio. This is another service site, and their goal is to connect people that are trying to do research with a healthy pool of different participants in terms of what they're looking for. They're looking for a ton of people with various demographics and backgrounds, like people that are in engineering, software design, marketing, and research businesses. Not only that, with this extensive scope, they actually offer a wide array of different diverse surveys options that match whatever background or qualification that you may have. After you sign up to this website, simply complete your profile assessment, then you'll automatically be matched with surveys that you will qualify for. You can also browse for available surveys that you can potentially qualify for, as well as check out how much time the surveys will take and how much you'll be compensated for those surveys. The average survey will pay you about $60 an hour, and there really is no higher end limit. However, the higher the amount that the survey actually pays, the more qualifications and criteria you will actually have to meet in order to get survey qualifications. There is also no minimum requirement that you need in your account before they pay you. The third site that we want to talk about today is called playtestcloud. This platform is a site that connects developers with game testers. Basically, you will just be playing video games and getting paid for it. They're looking for a vast array of different gamers, from casual ones to hardcore players. They are also into a ton of different demographics and age groups. How it works is playtestcloud will capture the entire gaming experience that you play from whatever device in the comfort of your home. The overall goal is to essentially help the developers figure out what exactly test gamers are doing and what they're thinking about when they're playing these games. To get started, you're going to need to sign up for playtestcloud online. After that, you'll take a qualification test to see if you're eligible. Don't worry if you fail with this, as you can always retake it. After you qualify, they'll send you out an email invitation for your exclusive membership to test a very fun game. In terms of the amount you can earn, it depends on what game you will be playing and how long they're going to have you playing that game for. It ranges from $9 to $13 per game. You'll also be paid out instantly after each game, and they pay via PayPal. We are now down to our last two companies, and what I would like for you to do is give this video a thumbs up because it let us know that you're enjoying the video. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more money-making videos just like this. The fourth method is a secret shopper app. With this app, you will be given these assignments to complete at a local store. They can range from checking out the inventory to doing buybacks. Buybacks are amazing because this means that the company will actually reimburse you for buying a product at their store. You're basically getting paid to get free stuff from that store. To get started, you need to sign up online. You will be brought into the App Store where you can download the Secret Shopper app. You will then have to take a couple of surveys to determine what you're eligible for. They will then start sending you invitations for secret assignments that you can start doing in your local stores. Once you get an assignment, all you have to do is go to the store and let them know that you're part of the app. You need to show them notifications and the authorization badge, and you'll get to work from there. Your payment varies depending on what assignments you're given. There are assignments that pay a base of $25 an hour. However, if you finish the assignment in under an hour, you will still also get paid that base rate. Moving on to the last method that we would like to show you, it's called Reddit. There are a couple of subreddits that actually pay you free money for doing certain tasks online, like doing homework online or rating online businesses. This is a very easy way to earn hundreds of dollars every month if you know what subreddits you should be looking for. If you have no idea, don't worry, as we will give you 3 subreddits that you should check out. The first one is called slave labor. People post assignments here where they're paid a couple of bucks per assignment that they complete. There's some that would pay you $80 per assignment that would only take an hour to do. The second subreddit is called beer money. The posts here range from doing some study opportunities to actually test driving vehicles. The third subreddit is called Sign Up for Pays. As the name suggests, this subreddit is telling people to sign up for certain things in order to get paid out for that. These are 5 ways that you can actually easily start making money for free. So go ahead and give them a try and let us know what you think. Thanks so much for watching this video and have a great day.